If you searched how to buy shares of Real Brokerage Inc. /the, this short guide outlines the practical steps to purchase REAX. Real Brokerage Inc. /the is a technology-focused real estate brokerage listed on NASDAQ under the ticker REAX. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy REAX, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker REAX to find the stock. Then select the matching Real Brokerage Inc. /the listing from the results to open its page. On the stock page, check the company overview and a price chart to confirm you have the correct REAX listing. Verify company details and that the market is NASDAQ before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, and review order details including order type and any fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms. After a successful purchase, the REAX position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. If you want to follow the same steps, the eToro link is in the description.